Hey there, ladies and gents. In this video, we're actually going to go over network marketing and multi-level marketing. Okay, if you've never heard of these types of business models before, then don't worry, stick around. We're going to go through a few company examples, what they offer, and how you can actually avoid either getting started with one or figuring out what type of compensation plan is going to work best for you. Okay, now as you can see behind me here, I'm currently in Paris for a couple of days. Gorgeous, gorgeous city. And what you're hopefully going to get by the end of this video is a better understanding of the types of companies and the type of online business model that this is or can be for you. Okay. Now, first of all, I actually came across network marketing or multi-level marketing around about 2 years ago, where I was fortunate enough to meet with some people that were actually part of this business model and this industry. And one person that I came across, who I'm not going to mention, was super successful in a company that, if you do know what network marketing is or multi-level marketing, then you're going to know the name Amway. This is a company that has operated in the States, for decades. I'm not too sure on this, exactly when they first were founded, but this is a company that has a major reputation in the multi-level marketing world. Once again, if you are familiar with them, this one individual who I was fortunate enough to meet and come across was actually doing $300,000 worth of product from his own garage. Okay, and I was super taken back. Didn't understand how that was possible, how the business actually operated, and yeah, just didn't realize that this was an industry that was really rife and predominant in the United States, especially. Okay, from the UK or Europe, these companies aren't really as well known. Not many people that you kind of come across are doing them, or even aware that companies like Avon that operate similar business models. Okay, so what I'm going to do in this video is actually just go over a few companies that have thousands and thousands of members worldwide, some of the products that they sell, some of the compensation plans and the prices of the product, just to give you a better understanding of the business model. Okay, out there online, if you've ever searched this up or come across videos, there's a lot of opinions and people that have really negative experiences of this business model, and people that this has actually worked really well for. Okay, so of course, if you're out there researching, you have to take everything with a pinch of salt, but hopefully what I'm going to give you is a non-fluff overview, and dependent of course upon the situation that you're in, the budget that you have, and kind of the expectation or goals that you have with this business model. Ultimately, it's hopefully going to give you a path on whether you think this could be for you, or you want to stay clear of it. Okay, now first of all, one of the companies behind is actually Arbonne. This is a company that operates in the US, and they have a range of different skincare and bath and beauty products, nutrition, and if you go onto the site yourself, you're going to see this. Okay, so when clicking on the products, what you're actually going to come across is a button here, that says start earning. Okay, and if I scroll down to some of the products that they sell, some of these kits and products are in excess of £200, and when you actually sign up or become a distributor, or become a part of their network, you can see here that you get 30 to 50% off on the products. Okay, we're on the UK at the moment. Now, if you have some understanding of retail or wholesale businesses, this actually isn't too dissimilar from a wholesale model. Okay, and for some of you that aren't aware of what wholesaling is, so essentially, brands or products are discounted at a rate very, very similar to 30 to 50% off, and then they're given to individual, maybe retail stores, or cash and carry, smaller shops sell the products on at a discounted rate. Okay, so as a business model, it's very, very similar to that. So, for example, if you're buying this £219 range of products here and you sign up to become a distributor, you're going to get 35 to 50% off. And essentially, once you've purchased that, you're going to have to pass or sell that on to either people that are interested in these products, or you're going to have to go out there and share with friends and family or other people online to kind of bring them into your team and recruit them in order to build up volume. Okay, now I can't speak for the compensation plan that they offer specifically, but this is once again just to give you an idea of how the business model works, and what these companies out there are doing. Now, another example of a company like this is Herbalife. Okay, so if we have a look at some of the products they sell now, this is a multi-billion-dollar company. At the moment, they are the sponsors of LA Galaxy in LA, host and sponsor a large number of other events. Okay, and this is a brand that operates in the US, UK, Europe. All right, so this is one of the bigger companies that provide people with an opportunity to earn additional income from passing on and selling their products as distributors or retail stores as well. Okay, and essentially, if we have a look at the products that they offer, again, a lot of them are weight loss or weight management, extra protein and supplements, and again, priced well above what you would perhaps pay for a product. Okay, but they need to have the margin in there in order to pass on to individuals, like yourselves, or if you are looking to make some type of profit from these products. Okay, it also means that instead of these companies having to spend money on advertising, getting their name out there, pushing paid promotion or dealing with paid media, they can use independent distributors to sign up and basically do the advertising for them. Okay, now if we have a look at another company that you might not be aware of, that is Forever Living, who provide a range of aloe vera gels and drinks, which again, if we take a look at some of the products, they don't actually give you the price on the website. If you can see up in the top corner, you have to become a business owner first in order to see the amount of discount that they give you. You can then buy these products and again sell them on. Okay, now moving on to another major brand that is involved in network marketing, is Isagenix, and they actually have a wide range of products. If you take a look on Instagram, you're going to see and you type in the hashtag Isagenix, which I guess we can do right now. So you can see there's 630,000 posts, and a lot of these, posts or content have the products in them, and most likely these are a range of distributors that they have, before and after weight loss pictures. And yeah, that is a company that's really big in the US. Once again, please do your own research on the commission structures that are involved and the potential for you to earn. I know there are people that have sold millions of dollars worth of product, and earn a very, very good living from companies that have been on here, and also Isagenix itself. And if we go on to Amway, again, this is another company that operates a similar business model. Okay, if you see here, start a business. Now, what some of these companies don't tell you, or when you're first getting started, is either the amount of quantity that you need to buy every single month in order to be eligible to receive discounted promotions or offers, and that is something that is rife within multi-level marketing. Okay, these companies make you order a starter pack to begin with, so these are overpriced products that you then have to shift on to people within your network, and it doesn't work out for a lot of people for a good number of reasons. The products aren't usually that great, they're overpriced. Most people don't actually want to start a business by buying the products and selling it on. They feel a bit sleazy or scammy. They also don't know how to go out there and market the products, and know even where or how to start with generating sales. Okay, so the combination that these companies use and the tactics that they use, with selling on a business model to earn six figures or even more, is usually oversimplified. They make it seem very, very easy for you to go out and do that, and it's just not the case. If you look at the statistics or the numbers around this, I think I believe that it's less than 1% actually earn enough to make a full-time income from it. Okay, and that's just because of the lack of information that people have when joining these types of companies. Okay, now, just to differentiate, multi-level marketing is a business model, and network marketing, the type of people that are usually looking at this are network marketers, okay, who are amazing people that, again, are just looking for an extra stream of income to supplement either their job or business that they have currently. And yeah, unfortunately, this business model just doesn't make sense, which is why it's currently being, disrupted. But hopefully this has given you, a good overview or insight into just the sheer amount of companies and people that are involved in this type of industry, and things that you should look out for before joining or being influenced to join, and a few questions that you should probably ask about the compensation plan, the amount of minimum orders or products that you need to reach, perhaps the amount of people that you need to reach out to and get on board in your team in order to begin making a profit. Okay, this could turn very, very sour very, very quickly. If you look online, there's tons of stories of people that have lost thousands simply because they weren't aware of the amount of money that was involved in this. And that's something that you should look out for and be aware of. Okay, they're questions that you should ask, and are gonna make sure that you do not have to get credit cards, which I've come across people that have got credit cards for business models like this. And yeah, just protect yourself. So hopefully that makes sense. And if you do have any questions or your own experiences of multi-level marketing or network marketing, then please be sure to let me know. Okay. Until next video, peace out.
Yeah.